Hi, everyone.
Hello! Maayong gabi! I look haggard, baby.
Oh, yeah, me too.
Sabi.
Did we just get out of a bath? Yes, we did.
Hello! Maayong gabi. Nakadungog mo sa mga day?
Now we have people here.
We have 81.
I need to get my glasses. Hold on. I gotta go get my glasses first.
Hello! Kadungog mo na mo? Lain na kaya nakugnaw. Uy, giahak. Uy. Hi, Day. Hello. Mag-live na ninyong tanan. Kadungog mo na mo, Day. Shout out. Hello, Day. Lain na. Uy, hagad. Gikugnaw. Gipimple ko, Day. Oh. Parang sige, butang og make-up ba? Love, can I have water also, please?
Yeah, do you want your bottle or?
My bottle water. I can share with you. That's fine. Okay. Hi, Cindy. Hello, Day. Maayong gabi. Madungog ko, Day? Love, thank you for the gift. Can you, where's your phone,
Yeah,
love?
might as well turn mine on.
Can you try to listen, Dobby?
Oh.
Like, if they can hear me very well. Hello, my subscribers. Yes, Day. Okay.
You can hear?
Mm.
Okay, I was thinking I'll
But-
just set up mine as well.
Heard sa, listen ba if it's nice ba?
Listen ba if it's nice ba?
By my, ano ba, my live. Sige daw, paminawa daw. Okay. Okay na.
Sounds fun to me.
Cindy. Hello, Ate Cindy. Always rab ako mag-watching ninyo. Wow, salamat, Day. Hello, Chira. Kanusa na po da nga to ang kuan, bagong pasabog. Karong kuan, Day. Karong katapusan sa, nahulog
Oy,
mo sa
yawa.
buwang ka. Sa Manila, live ni?
Why not?
Okay.
Put on both.
Okay.
Here, scoot over. Get this up.
Hindi,
here.
I'm reading the
No,
comments.
scoot over towards you so I can be in the frame as well. Keep scooting.
So, unsan ni? Ang atuan na pong kuan, Day, next pasabog, Day, karong February katapusan. 100,000 pesos og iPhone og balik bayan box. No, why are you live right now or no?
Yeah.
Why
I
no
thought-
people?
I don't know. No one loves me.
Are you sure, baby?
I don't know.
Let me try,
I've
Dobby.
never actually
okay.
done live.
Let me finish.
Sure,
Okay.
yeah. Go ahead and do whatever you need.
Wait sa day ha, wait sa day.
I've never turned on live before. So.
Okay, delete sa ana, delete sa ana. Okay, do live here. Lahi man imong cellphone. Uy, okay, wait lang ta. Pare.
Yeah, that looks like it's on. Maybe no one.
Hala, thank you for the gift. Ayaw kalimti day ha. Share ra ba ko nimo day? Yes, day. Sige biya kag share na ko day. Don't worry day kay tawagan ti ka day. Mobalik naman mi sa US day. Ya mobalik na pud mi diri sa Pilipinas karong February. Puhon kaluyon sa Ginoo. Manawag ko ninyo kay pag-abot na ko dito mga balikbayan back sa punta day. Hala, thank you for the gift. 200. Wow.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Ayaw ko kalimti day halagi pa ulit ni siya ha. Pip, pang tiwas lang unta sa akong CR kusina, ma'am. Oh. Hello, thank you for the gift. Thank you. Karon namin nag-live day kay karon pa mi nakapahuway. We just do live now because we just rest. Because we're so busy all weeks.
Yeah.
We're so busy day all weeks day. We've been traveling, we've been working day, busy kay day. Super busy. So tonight we are our resting.
Yeah, this is our first night off. I mean, it's we finished all of our meetings at 8:00, so kind of night off since we got here in the last 2 weeks.
Kapoy bayot pero sige na lang ulit hindi apila ko. Hello subscribers! Wow, 500. Isn't that 500?
Oh my gosh!
Wow, thank
so
you.
much.
Hello, na-notice po ko jury cut ay ulahi masiguro niya itong tingog. Ula, why there's no comment on you, baby? Hello, wow, 1,000 give us, oh!
Oh my gosh!
Si ano, what is
Thank
name?
you.
Shoot.
That is a very hard name to
Surat ang
pronounce.
pangalan. Ano, wala man ay viewers si David? Ay, wala man ay comment.
1,000 viewers but no comments. That feels surprising. Hold on. What if we do that button there? No, that's if I wanted to write a comment. I don't know. People who are on my live, if you're writing a comment, I'm sorry, we can't hear you.
Because you're slow
Oh,
connection,
slow
oh.
connection.
May I
Oh,
have a connection?
Maybe I'm not. Am I?
You're in the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I'm on the
one.
Wi-Fi.
Hala, thank you for the gift. Hala, he sent us
Oh my
again,
God.
oh.
No, different person.
Yeah, 1,000, Teresa.
Oh my gosh.
Fabina Mertens. Hala, thank you,
guys are so
Day.
amazing.
Nanapagod, okay,
Thank
sa
you so
pagod ni.
much.
Si Joanne White, thank you, Day, sa gift. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you so much for the gift. Hello, Sabrina Luis, Teresa. Kakwartaan ba ni nila? Uy, wow.
Wow. Very generous. Thank you.
I think you don't have comment. You should do
No, it
that.
says comments will appear here. It's just not giving comments for some reason. I don't know why.
Lain na nakugnaong da, uy. Why you look good in your phone? Me, you look haggard.
Because I don't have filters.
We don't have filters man there. Buang man kang.
Buwang maka.
Wa may filter dire. This is, Facebook.
Oh.
Hello, good morning, Mr. and Mrs. Fire. Hello! Hello, daganang gift, uy. Thank you for the gift, guys.
Wow, thank you guys.
Muntas hindi magrasyahan ko, Cindy. Yes,
Hold on. I'm
buhon.
gonna see if I can fix mine. So you keep entertaining the people. I'm gonna see if I can fix mine.
Yes, day, karon pa mi
I don't know
nakapahuway
why
kay
I don't
grabe
have
among
comments
kabisi
here.
gid uy, nya ugma ni. Karon pa mi nakapahuway og taman. Ay karon pa mi naka-rest day kay buong adlaw gid mi nagkuanday kaning trabaho. Karon na mi naka-decide nga mag-live ka tawbi. Mag-live tabi kaysa mag-away tanduhang yuwa ka masitag habal kapoy kayo day. Happy birthday. Thank you for the gift. It's a big ate.
Okay, so it does work. Like I can put a comment here.
I have no idea what's going on in your
I
phone.
don't know
Your
either.
phone is sucks.
Apparently so. Or
You
maybe I have some weird setting that I've set it up wrong.
You should buy iPhone though.
Oh really?
Yes, buy
Do you
iPhone.
have your other phone?
I think in my bag.
We could just set up my live off of that phone.
Okay, hold on.
My hair looks amazing right now. What do you think, love? Should this be my hairstyle?
Bahala ka eh. Yeah, you can. You can be your hairstyle.
I mean, it's pretty amazing. Look at that. It's got some height.
Here.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna turn this off. Sorry, guys, if you're trying to send comments and stuff.
Dere
I'm gonna
pag live.
switch to the other phone, and hopefully that one works. So, thanks for watching. See ya.
Oh, a lot of comment.
Yeah, I don't know why it's not working.
Wait sa day ha. Hello! Thank you. Ma'am, down payment ng sa refrigerator, ma'am. Ay na lang pag-grape day, oy. Okay, here, baby, oh. Okay, ha? We're gonna do like that. Go. That's you and me. Perfect, oh, like that, oh.
Yep.
Dagana. I have a pimple over makeup ba?
Yeah, because you've been applying a lot of it. Yeah, that one works now. I must have a weird setting.
Agayawa!
Are you picking at it? Stop picking at
I
it.
know.
Poco.
Kita, uy. Ni-pimple ko, day.
Stop picking
Again,
at it.
ano. I think you need to put me something.
No, you just picked at it. That's why it's inflamed.
Basaha po ni mong comment, David. Ako naman pirmi ni mong pa trabahoon.
Yeah.
Read it.
Read it. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Day. Unta, mapansin.
They said
Hello.
hello,
Hello,
and I shall
sweet
say
card.
hello.
Pasudla ko sa akong kayib. Say kayib. Hello. Ay, daga-asa man ka, Mar Arjon. Thank you, ha.
Could you hand me the water? It's gonna get more water.
Daga-asa man ka, Arjon. Kay imong pinting ba? Naghakuan ka, naghimo kag pinting sa kuha. Daga Davao ka, wala na. Pero mabalik mamig Davao. We're gonna go back in Davao soon.
Oh yeah.
So, katong among wala na tuan, mabalik ramig Davao, day. Maybe sunod adlaw, sunod semana. Pasa po ng comment. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Last giveaway. Oh, thank you daw.
Oh, you guys are welcome. The giveaways are really fun. We're gonna do
Yeah.
more of them.
Manghatag na po mig sakyanan, day. Mag-ready-ready mo, ha. Kay manghatag mig sakyanan. Manghatag mig 100,000 karong February katapusan. So, mag-ready mo, day. Kay bongga kay ni day. Bongga pa-up. Dili ko magpa-up, Marjon. Kay nag-live min David. Hello, Ma'am Sir and Deb, Cindy. Cindy, tisti. Unsa na, uy? Ma'am Cindy, mabasan, hindi mo ba magpabaga ko og nang Ma'am Cindy gamayag, hinaba. Ma'am,
There's
kung
someone
baga kag
from
na.
Maligan here.
Asa?
A bunch of people from Maligan
Where?
that were just there. They said hi from Maligan.
Hello, I'm from Iligan. Born and raised, raised and born and raised.
Yep.
La la la. La, hi, 15,000 viewers.
Wow, 15,000. That's crazy.
Thank you for the gift. Pakita na ko ang Dagaasa day ka Marjon. Bagaasa day ka Bayot. Pakita sa kung ay ulo. Pa-shoutout, hello subscribers. We have a lot of subscribers here. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Hello subscribers. Thank you for
Thank you
subscribing
so much
us.
for supporting us, guys.
Yeah, we
Whether
love you
for
all.
subscribing or just watching our
Subscriber
videos.
or video siya unsa pa niyo tapan, support us. Thank you so much everyone. So get ready when I'm back to the US kay panghatag tagaan mo balikbayan box die.
Oh.
Balikbayan banks.
Yeah, very fun.
Diaper lang sa akong baby. Read the comment, love. I read.
I'm trying to. Something about it. I can't read it if it's not in English.
It's English or like, hello David and Cindy.
Yeah, I mean, I can. Thank you, love. I can read those. Cindy's go manifesting. Yep.
Ay, ginoo ko.
Sleepy pa.
Yeah.
Poor baby.
I'm gonna sleep after my live.
Oh yeah. Love you.
Hello, idol. Hello. Love you. I love you.
Shout out for Leah Buat
Hello.
Chatiko.
Give me a lot of gift.
Oh my gosh, that's very kind of
7,000
them.
na. Oh. Thank you for the gift, guys.
Seriously, thank you guys.
That's
Really
okay.
appreciate it.
Gwapa lagi ko diri. Lain na kinakugnan pag may makeup. Oh, mura mag-igit.
Yeah, no makeup. You look great. Look at how good you look without makeup. Better than with makeup.
You think?
Oh yeah.
No, I look good in makeup though.
I mean, yeah, you always look good, but you look better without makeup, in my opinion.
I don't think so. Hi, gwapa,
because you're a
Cindy Siku.
crazy
It's me, Ate
person.
Angel. Hello, Ate Angel. Siki Hor. Ate Angel. Hello, everyone. Bukid nun ra ko, kalayo din ninyo, eh. Sayang kayo, di nyo mahatag sa kuha inyong mga painting. Wala naman ko yung time, oy. Gi-invite ba mi sa Cagayan, di Oro, but wag yung time. We love you too, guys. Thank
Yeah,
you
we
so
love you
much.
guys. Thank you. Yeah, honestly, we don't really have too much that we wanted to talk about. We just wanted to hang out and say hi, and
Yeah.
we're still kind of riding the high after Cinelog, and we just had so much fun and we've been so busy since then that we haven't really gotten to sit down and just kind of talk, and these lives are a nice way to reach out. So if you guys have any questions or anything that you guys want to talk about, let us know.
Yeah, kung na may mga question, be?
In
Pangutan
fact,
daw, maybe, get
I
mga...
think you can do like a Q&A, can't you?
Okay, I don't know.
At least you could on my phone. I wonder why the Android app and the iPhone app are so different. Because like there's just a button to activate Q&A. So weird. Excuse me.
Hello, sweet Carl, my subscriber. Karong February ha. Grabe atong kuan karong February atong pasabog.
Shout out from Lapu-Lapu.
Atong pasabog karong February dai.
Donidado.
Grabe atong pasabog karong February so mag-ready gyud mo.
Thank you, Mari Tessa Young. Thank you for subscribing.
Thank you for
And a shout out to
subscribe.
you.
Kalibangon man ko eh. Ma'am, guba akong cellphone. Guba daw yung cellphone. O, sige. Hi from UAE.
UAE. Oh, nice. It's probably Dubai, no?
Yeah.
Are you from Dubai or somewhere else in the UAE?
Oh, grabe na mo ka-busy ganina, dai. Like, Gabi kakapoy. Uy, we're so tired. We woke up at
Kapoy.
7.
Mhm.
Meeting, work, and then fly back here in Cebu. And then when we arrive here, we got meeting. Gabi kakapoy doy.
Grabe.
Yeah.
Can you read this one for me?
Ano siya, oh. Hi, Ma'am Cindy, unta manotis, piste kata ganida. Hi, Ma'am Cindy, unta manotis ko nimo pangpalit og bogas. I-ask rice and food.
Oo. Gotcha.
Elena is here. Hi, my manager.
Hi, Alina. We're being lazy. Sorry we're not working.
Yep. Kasama ni Don. Is that Owen?
Does
looks like-
Don mean Owen?
No.
Then no.
I'm curious. Oh, that's his brother.
Oh.
Hello. We met him before
Yeah, I
here in the
remember.
lobby.
Yeah.
Hello. Agay. Putang ina.
Stop picking at it.
Ano. Sorry. Natandugan naman sa doy, giatay.
Stop.
Hello, thank you for the gift. Dagang kay maghatag na ko gift, oy. Naghatag og gift kay uncle.
Huh?
No, nothing, love.
No, they can't give me gifts. My stars is bugged.
Okay.
Yep. So
Hello,
no,
thank you.
No stars
Thank you for... Hello, I have 9,000, now? 9,200.
Oh my gosh. That's very nice of them. That's a 15,000?
13.
13,000.
You have a glasses, you did not see it. Me, I have no contact lens. Butang naman siguro ka.
Yeah. Well, we obviously need something more interesting to talk about then, no?
Yeah. Unsa man yung chika,
Yeah,
day?
someone asked an interesting question.
Oh, you want me to up someone? It's more fun, though.
What?
Like someone up and then go down and then up. Someone gonna ask us some question like
Sure,
that ba?
go ahead.
Okay. Yan! Then magpasaka mi ha. Yawa mo. Ay mo pangay kwarta. Okay ha? We're gonna... Someone come up to our live and then we have you can ask us a question.
And we'll alternate. We'll do Cindy's live, my live, Cindy's live, my live, Cindy live's my live. Bless you. All right. You ready?
Ready na? Isa to pasakon be. Wait lang, kadaghana ba ani uy? Kadamo ba ani uy? Okay.
Just pick a random person.
Okay, I'm gonna choose random. Wait lang ha. Who are lucky tonight? Cendric. Pong, pong. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Bingo.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
3, 2, 1, Django.
No, I didn't accept.
No,
Cancel. Okay, we can find someone.
Why don't you do one of the ones that recently came up? They're more likely to still be here.
This one?
Yeah.
Marjun.
Here, 400,000 followers.
Sige, accept that.
I'd say let's do someone with not as many followers.
No, okay.
Yeah, because then we just get to like talk to random people rather than influencers or whatever.
Okay, baby. You're right.
Let's do someone with like less than 1,000 followers.
Okay, this one.
Less than 1,000. That person has 20,000. Like scroll way down.
This one, oh.
Sure. Yeah, you pick any of those people.
Di man na sila manubag, uy?
Yeah.
If you did not answer, you go to your own, be.
Uh-oh.
You
If
choose-
this person doesn't answer.
Yes, you go to your own. I go to your live, so choose there.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Di man sila mang...
Oh, there we go.
Hello! Nawalan.
Hello.
Hello!
Oh, hello ma'am.
Maing gabi, Iday.
Ayun gabi.
Gabi, Ma'am Cindy.
Ha?
May gabi, Ma'am Cindy. And Sir David.
Hello. How are you?
Okay lang.
Taga-asa makaday?
Taga Mandawi.
Oh, she's here in Mandawi.
Oh.
Nice.
Sige nga na data namin diri sa Cebu Pod. Yes.
Happy kay... Lipay kay ko, ma'am. Nga imo kong gitubag.
Of course. She's happy daw she joined our live.
Oh yeah, good to see you.
Yeah.
Did you go to Cinelog?
Niadto kag sinulog, day?
Niadto.
Oh, niadto daw siya, love.
Huh?
Yes, she went.
Oh, did you have fun?
Gwapa kay ka, ma'am, ug sir. Gwapo kay sad ka, Sir David.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Agad na magkakugnaong dayo, mas gwapa ka dayo, uy.
Gikan po ni out og kan work.
Oh, maayo noon, day. Okay, you want another one?
Sure.
Alright, thank you, day.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Good night. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
All right,
Hello, we sabi sa many pag-remove. Okay, thank you, day. Ikaw na po, be?
my turn.
Yeah.
All right. Who am I gonna pick?
Kanang pangkuan ba? May mga question ba? Manaka mo. Ano
Yeah.
ang question?
Ask a question and then we can have a discussion. All right. You send request.
Asa question, day? Di man ni sila maningog. Ay, mura naman tagkuan ani noon.
Dun 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 dun. 3, 2, 1, and time's up. All right, next person.
Kapoy mo na mag-live no?
You say live makes you tired?
I guess so.
I guess so. Maybe it was that nice relaxing spa that we just had.
I agree.
Yeah.
Thank you for the gift.
All right. 3, 2, 1,
Okay,
and
okay.
now
It's my
Eva's
turn.
chance. Okay.
It's your turn or my
Your
turn?
turn.
Ask question, ha? Okay, this one will be. Sakit makuulo, uy. Giatay.
There we go. Hello.
Hi, Day!
Ano makahilak ko?
Ano mo hilak pa na?
Yato kong sinulog dahi, wadyo ko kita ni mo. Nag-atag-atag din ko.
She didn't see us
Oh
daw.
no, sorry we missed you.
Nag-asa day ka bayot.
Taga-Kamotes. Yan, yato na kong Cebu. Kaya pag
Nakabuti
sinulog.
ka.
Island siya sa Cebu.
She's very... Balayo ka dere sa city, Day?
Kuan, masakay ka sa mga, I think, kuan ka oras. 4 hours?
Uy, kalayo
Three.
ko bayot for hours.
What about 4 hours?
From here in the city.
Oh, gotcha.
If you want
Wow.
to come here in the city.
That's
Dahil
very
din mo
fun.
nag-meet ni David.
Sorry, sorry.
Okay, siya pa question
Oh,
na. I like that, I like that.
All right.
Pangutan na
What's your question?
So my question is, where did you meet Cindy? Or know Cindy?
All right, so for my life, the question is, where did I meet Cindy? And the
Yes.
answer was on a dating site called OkCupid, and she swiped on me before I swiped on her. So we matched when I said yes to her because she's obviously gorgeous.
But
Ah,
And then we started chatting after that.
wala lang man akong bana dayo. Lami man ko si unang kigol.
Sa mga
Mm.
single dira, so mag-download okay, Cupid.
Yeah,
Kaya para
download
makamit mo
tayo.
pa si David.
Yes.
Yeah. So we met on OkCupid, the dating site, and then we met for the first time in Manila when I flew to see her 6 months later.
Olo, laisyo ka, day.
Lagi. Hello, mother.
Hello, mother.
Ah,
Kagwapa.
ito gwapa nga. Haga na magkakanig daw.
Gwapa kay day, oy.
Haga na kanig daw, guys. Stress na kayo.
Wapupod ang imong bana.
Day, mo apil na siya kag Miss Universe, day.
Gwapa
Kay
ba na?
dati ka
Ako ang
gwapa, day.
Ay, sorry. Aha?
Weapons
Apil na
away.
Miss Universe. Kay gwapa kayo.
No, diloy. Maulawan ta bayot.
Anoon.
Thank you kay
Awan
sa
ta bayot.
Cindy. Bahala mo, nakita sa sinulog, sa personal
Okay,
ko,
okay.
kaya nakita ni mo dere.
Rita, she said it's okay daw. He didn't see us in Sinulog that she come here in the live.
Hey, now it's even better, no?
Salamat kayo, sir. Thank you so much, Sir
Thank you.
David.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the question.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, buta na gito sila. Ikaw, it's your turn, Vivi.
All right, my turn. Who has a question for the Yawa? All right.
Lagot lagi ko ano niya, day. Kay Pirmi lagi ko yawa-yawa na ning buang, day.
Ooh, someone's making a portrait of you. Lorenzo.
Huh?
Lorenzo.
Making protocol portrait. I hope you're gonna like it. Oh, sure.
Thank you.
Let him join here. You wanna see it? Let's see it.
I don't know how to do that.
Okay, let me. Pag-join na good. Pag-join daw, yeah. Agay, yawa, makaligo.
Scoot over.
Wait, sabak, I'm trying to, ala. 50 na.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Okay, his name is, you remember?
Lorenzo. Yeah, you're gonna scroll through all of it? No.
Oh, no, you have the only request. Uy,
That's because you closed it, love.
I didn't close it.
Yeah.
Okay, you choose B, you choose for. Okay, you choose for. Kuya, ano ba yun? Ay,
All right. This is someone who just sent a request, so hopefully they will pick up. There we go.
hello!
Hello, Maayong gabi.
God.
Hello, may gabi, kuya.
Cover my uniform because I'm on duty.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
Bawal I guess during duty.
Oh,
good evening.
Burikat.
Hello.
Burikat kay kaburikat. Yawa kaayo.
Oh,
Like
oh.
I'm planning to travel sa Cebu para makita kaburikat because I always see your
hello, mom. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Burikat.
Ano nga mo katabok?
We are from Leyte, so I will travel somewhere more going to Cebu. So almost 6 hours kay light shipping.
Oh my gosh,
Kalayo.
that's very far.
Yawa ka ni dayon kadriwa.
Wa ko kara kay Friday na akong travel, Saturday until Saturday pa sa gabi ang bagyo giaha.
Oh, sure.
Yes,
She's almost
wala
coming
ka.
here. But it got stopped because there's a typhoon coming daw.
Oh,
Yes.
wow.
Oh.
I have a question
Sure.
for Kat Leche.
Hello, okay.
Because I have also experienced a foreigner before. He's from Minnesota, Minneapolis, I guess. But he was snaked by my friend.
La!
So how do you handle with these snake friends?
How do you handle?
Na-try mo pag snake ka,
So far, wala pa. If someone trying to snake your partner, and then if, what is a good advice? What is a?
So for me, what is a snake friend?
a friend is trying to backbite you to get your foreigner. Or
Oh, your
boyfriend?
partner?
Yeah,
Well, first off, if they're trying to do that, number one, they're not your friend,
yeah.
right? By definition, they're not your friend if they're trying to do that. And so my recommendation would just be cut them out of your life completely and never look back.
that's what I did.
Yeah,
Very
because
good.
anyone who does that, you can't trust them ever. And so why would you want to be around someone you can't trust?
Oh
So
my God, thank you.
So nakuha sa imong amiga ang imong laki.
Wala na ako nakig-fight. I don't want to fight because I hate fighting, especially in English people.
Yeah.
So because in my job, because we are on training, we are not allowed to use cell phone. So that is why when I went back using my Facebook, I say kuan na breaking messages.
Really?
But I'm filing my K1 visa, the fiancé visa, going to North Part, I guess, in USA, the Minneapolis.
Oh, is that?
No,
You have a partner there. You have a partner now.
no. I wish that I could have. David, do you have friends?
unfortunately, I'm at the age where most of my friends are no longer single.
Oh my God. To those viewer of DVAD, any foreigner that like gay Philippines in uniform,
Bayot, my grinder ka na. Mag-grinder ka ba? Mag-nearby.
Yeah.
no, I hate grinder, maybe a lot of positive in health. Then we had to twice a year medical exam.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's so strict.
I keep myself healthy lang muna.
Oh.
Well, anyway, it's my pleasure. to
Thank you so
table
much.
this
Thank you,
you.
kayo.
Have a great night.
in camera, but we hope once you came back in February, I can meet you somewhere.
Yes, yes, yes.
I
We can
think
meet.
so. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you. Great night.
Thank you. Bye-bye, yun. Bye.
Bye, Yun. Bye-bye, Burikat.
Bye-bye. Wow, okay. I think we're done na live na laboy. Kikapoy naman kulaw.
Kapoy? No, you don't want to answer any more questions?
Ano yun? Kikapoy naman ko.
Kikapoy? The baby is Kikapoy? Okay. All right. Well, then it sounds like we're just about done.
Tulgo naman
Time
ko,
to
Day.
put the baby to sleep.
Matuog na ko, Day. Kasi sayo pa ko ugma, Day. Daghang trabaho, Day. We need to sleep because tomorrow we have an early
It's true. We do have an early meeting tomorrow.
Okay, bye-bye
Thank you,
na. Thank you
guys.
for watching. Bye. Love you all.
Bye bye.
Bye. That's it.